Hello friends, I feel great pleasure to share this information on World Meteorology Day, that is 20th May. Let us celebrate this day together. In this video, we'll talk about different aspect of meteorology. We'll start with definition of meteorology or what do you mean by meteorology? The study of measurement is called meteorology. In science, a measurement is a collection of quantitative or numerical data that basically describe a property of an object or event. A measurement is made by comparing a quantity with a standard unit. Basically, it deals with the comparison. Okay, now we'll talk about quantitative data. Quantitative data is information about quantities, that is information that can be measured and written down with numbers. Some examples of quantitative data are your height, your shoe size number, and the length of your fingernail. Let us take some examples of quantitative data. A jug of milk holds 1 liter of milk. What is quantitative data here? 1. Okay. Next example is new baby weight 6 pound and 6 pounds and 5 ounces. 6 and 5. Okay. Next, a coffee mug holds 10 ounces. 10. Let us take some more examples. The painting is 14 inches wide and 12 inches long. 12 and 14. A bag of vegetable is of 5 kg. 5 is quantitative data. Ram is 6 feet tall. 6 is quantitative information. Okay. As you know that world is suffering from corona. Let us study some quantitative or numerical data related to this. Number of active cases in India, number of cured or discharged people, or the death rate. These are quantitative information. Okay. Who need measurement? Everyone need measurement. Environment, communication, healthcare, food, you and I, all of us need measurement. Measurement affect all aspect of our life. Okay, with this it is clear that all of us need measurement. Let us study some needs of measurement. It is important to measure certain things like right distance, time, accuracy are all great things to measure. Measurement can also allow us to make decisions based on the outcome of the measurement. Basically, by this, reasoning measurement are extremely important. And how these reasoning measurement are important? Because they shape the way we think and interact everyday life. How does it interact our day-to-day life? Like measurement tools and skill have a variety of uses in our day-to-day life. It provides a link between mathematics and other subjects. And in day-to-day life, measurement provides a standard for everyday things like weight, measurement, hair, length, even time is a measurement. And it does play a very important role in our life. The money or the currency we use is also a measurement. Okay, let us take some everyday reasons why measurement is important in our life. The first one is cooking or taking medicines. If you fall ill, you need to take your medicine and take it in the proper amount. You need to take in a proper amount. If you take too little or too much, then you are not going to get the proper benefit from it. The second example is transportation. How much weight is too much for a plane to take off or a car to move efficiently? Or how much fuel is needed to reach a certain point? And how long will it take to get somewhere? Yes, measurement plays a significant part in transportation. Next example is understanding weight. In that object, is that object too heavy to pick up by yourself? Or do you need to use something to lift it? Some may think this is not important, but it is pretty easy to hurt yourself if you lift objects that are too heavy. Same with the cooking. You need to put proper amount of salt, spices. If you put more amount of salt in your food, will you be able to eat? No. That means every day measurement, every aspect of our life is totally dependent upon measurement. Okay, now we'll talk about standard units. What are standard units? Standard units are the units which are usually used to measure the weight, length, or capacity of an object. Let us take some examples of units. The kilograms for mass, the Kelvin for temperature, the mole for the amount of substance, or the seconds for time, the meter for distance, and many more. Okay, why do we need standard unit of measurement for a quantity? Standard unit of measurement provides a reference point by which object of weight, length, or capacity can be described. Standard units are the units used all over the world for measuring a particular quantity. The need of a standard unit arises when we deal with people from other places. What is the importance of metrology? Measurement have been carried out for as long as civilization has existed. Metrology is basic to the economic and social development of a country. It is concerned with the providing accurate measurement which impact our economy, health, safety, and general well-being. Thank you so much for watching the video.